Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview, including my personal experience with LastMinute.com and other helpful resources, are available in the description below. This video covers my experience using LastMinute.com, a booking platform designed for travelers who need to arrange flights, hotels, or vacation packages on short notice. It's a perfect service for spontaneous getaways, unexpected business trips, or anyone seeking excellent deals with limited planning time. LastMinute.com specializes in offering discounted rates on last-minute travel, granting users access to flights, hotels, and activities at significantly reduced prices. One of the most impressive features of LastMinute.com is its user-friendly interface. You can quickly search for deals based on your desired location, travel dates, and specific preferences. Whether you're booking a quick weekend trip, a flight for a sudden business meeting, or need a hotel for an unforeseen overnight stay, LastMinute.com helps you secure the best possible price, even when booking close to your departure. The platform provides various filters, allowing you to refine your search based on budget, location, star rating, and desired amenities. LastMinute.com also caters to travelers requiring flexibility. The site regularly features bundled deals, allowing you to book flights, accommodations, and activities together at a discounted rate. This combined booking option is a great way to save both time and money. Furthermore, LastMinute.com offers a robust customer support system to assist users with any last-minute changes or unexpected issues, making the booking experience smoother and more dependable. This platform is ideal for those who prioritize speed and flexibility in their travel plans. It's perfect for spontaneous trips, last-minute vacations, or situations where travel arrangements need to be made with minimal advance notice. However, if you're someone who prefers to meticulously plan trips well in advance, LastMinute.com might not be the optimal choice for you. For those who value convenience and affordability when booking close to their travel dates, LastMinute.com presents a solid and user-friendly option. Check out the links in the description below for more information and to explore LastMinute.com for yourself.